Hey everyone. Okay, so speaking of incredibly cheap products, so I decided to get a few beauty light wands, and here they are. Now these are from e.l.f. and these are, what are they? They're the Halo Glow. Now I pretty much got every single shade. I'm gonna swatch them on my gorgeous, gorgeous face, gorgeous. And I've already used them, they're excellent. But I want to show you the color range so you can pick and choose which ones you want. So it's a screw top, and as you unscrew it, you've got the standard kind of tip, and then you just sort of turn it or press it, should I say, and product comes up, as you can or cannot see here. So this shade here is called Champagne, and I'm going to swatch this down the side of my face. The intensity and pigment and color payoff here is really, really good for the price. I cannot see how many mils is in here because I don't have my glasses. The next one is called Magic Hour, and this is a blusher. And let's give it a little squeeze. Ooh, and we'll slide this down. Oh, that's pretty. I actually think that one here would probably look prettiest on the eyelid and then an eyeshadow over it. So this is a blush again. This is called Candlelight. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna slide that next to it. That's beautiful. One way that I found that looked really, really good with these products is kind of defeats the purpose. They're super shiny, but if you put a matte blusher over them, you get this really pretty ethereal kind of glow to the skin. I might do it for you in a second. This one is called Liquid Gold, and it is a highlighter, not a blusher. So let's get some product. Sorry, these ones are new. All the used ones are so tatty that they're in the drawer. The price point of these is so good that I bought multiples. This one's a contour color here, and this is light medium. So a little squeeze. The funny thing with makeup is you don't actually, so when you've got a compact in your hand, so let's just say it's Charlotte Tilbury for argument's sake, and it's beautiful and it's stunning, but you don't know you've got that on your face once you put the product down. Nobody else will know unless you tell them. That's the thing with makeup. It's very deceptive. So this is the medium, I believe medium to tan. I would actually say that that's a little bit deeper than a medium to tan. Next up, we've got Rose You Slay, which is a blusher. This one is so pretty. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, and finally, my friends, we have got Rose Quartz. And I'm going to swatch that right here. Again, a really beautiful shade that works great on your eyelids with an eyeshadow on top to really pop it. The colors are amazing. The texture is amazing. So if I just blend this out, you see how far this pigment goes. It really, really, really moves. And it's beautiful and shiny and delicious. And if that's what you're looking for and you're on a budget or you just don't want to spend that kind of money, you pretty much cannot go wrong here. Let me know your thoughts. I'll leave links in the description bar. Very good, very, very, very good. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.